Hello friends. Today show how to fix Kinemaster layer media problem. First see this problem and next fix this problem step by step. Let's fix this problem. First go to Kinemaster homepage. Tap on Settings icon. Scroll down and see Advanced and Experimental Settings. Tap here. Next tap on Continue Anyway. Then see All Settings. Next see Unlimited Video Layer Mode. Next on this Unlimited Video Layer Mode. Tap on Continue Anyway. Next complete closed Kinemaster app. Next open Kinemaster again. Let's see Kinemaster media layer is work properly. Please subscribe this channel for more technical videos.